This will be a tutorial demonstrating how to create multiple jobs in a single STAAD Foundation file. Separate videos will explain the local settings for each job type. Here you see some supports and load cases which have already been created to serve as the basis for the jobs. I will demonstrate the concept by creating the first two jobs in some detail on the same support system and then reviewing the finished project file containing every job type. To create the first job, I'll go to Create Job under Job Setup in the main navigator. Here you have the option to choose between isolated, pile cap, combined, octagonal, strap, and mat foundations. I will first create an isolated type footing job. The key step to creating multiple jobs in the same file is specifying the target supports for each job. In the Job Info section, you will see the support assignment and listed supports. Support assignment has three options to control how the job will be assigned to the supports. Assign to all supports does as its name suggests. Use either Assign to selected supports or Assign to listed supports to assign the job only to the specified supports. I will create this isolated footing job on supports 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then select all the available load cases and create job. The isolated footing local settings become available to give information specific to the isolated footing. Once all of this information is specified, the user can analyze the footing. Analyzing will design only the supports assigned to the current job as the current job type. In this case, the program would design supports 1, 2, 3, and 4 as isolated footings. Multiple jobs can be assigned to the same supports to compare design results. Once analyzed, the general arrangement or GA drawing for the job becomes available. The GA drawing shows the supports and their actual dimensions after they've been designed. Let's say for argument's sake that some of the isolated footings overlapped. You might want to instead create a combined footing job with these supports. STAAD Foundation Advanced's flexibility allows you to remove whichever supports you want from the isolated footing job and create a new combined job using those supports. Here the procedure to switch jobs is shown. Remember to press Edit Job to save the changes. Now I will create a combined footing job in the same file. This time I will use the Selected Supports feature and choose supports 5, 6, 7, and 8 for the combined footing job. With combined footing, you must also specify the locations of the strip footing when creating the combined job. I will create one strip footing between supports 5 and 6, and one between 7 and 8. You can see that the file now has two types of jobs. As mentioned before, analyzing either one will only show the design for the current job. The design and GA drawing for the combined footings on supports 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 are shown once the combined job has been analyzed. Also, the current job can be toggled in the Home ribbon to easily switch between jobs. If you would like to view all of the jobs in the same GA drawing, uncheck that option in the GA drawing options. Now you can see both isolated and combined footings. This is a completed file containing all of the jobs in the same file. You can switch between them, edit, and analyze as necessary to design your foundation with minimal backtracking. Thank you for watching.